We are at the holy city of Amritsar, and it needs no introduction. Just recently, all around me, you can actually see the beautification that has taken place all around the Golden Temple, and that is really a reflection of all that's building up to the elections. And we are right now very close to these elections, and this is for and against. A number of people joining us. Thank you to all of you. The political issue that we will be discussing before the elections is one simple question. Are you okay with politicians, eminent politicians, switching political parties every now and then just before the elections? One example that comes to our mind is Navjot Singh Sidhu. What did he do? Well, it's kind of a saga almost. First, he was with the BJP. He left them, and then he thought of joining the Aam Aadmi Party. He did not eventually join them. And then he formed what he called a forum, Apna Punjab Party. But he had party as a word in that forum. And then after that, eventually he joined the Congress after a lot of speculation, a lot of waiting and watching, especially from the media. Now, is that okay or is that not okay? That's the big question that we're asking the people of Amritsar, the people of Punjab ahead of the elections. Will they go ahead and vote for somebody like that? And it's not just Sidhu. It has been happening across party lines. You talk about the Congress, you talk about the BJP, the Akalis, the Aam Aadmi Party, all of them claiming that today we had 100 people joining from the other party, tomorrow we'll have another 100 people joining. It happens every single day. Now, the first question that we want to ask is, and clearly reflect that there are people out here who are for, they don't have a problem with all these politicians switching political parties, or as I like to call it, switching girlfriends. And then on the right is all those who are against. No, these politicians should not switch political parties. But one of the most eminent personalities of Amritsar is with us, and I want to start with him. Why are you for it, Gunbir ji? Tell us.
This is the era of uncertainty. Why not? And if you're talking about Navjot Sidhu, he's a one-man show.
All right.
I mean, it doesn't make a difference to him.
Captain Amrinder Singh is not needed.
No, that's not the point. The point still remains that the name of the game where he's concerned is fame. So he doesn't need to sit astride a political party. The parties ride him instead. So he can take his pick, and why not?
All right. The problem seems to be, and I think people will agree out here, the problem seems to be that when somebody is switching political parties, they're not loyal. Would you agree with that assessment? Okay.
Because I feel that if they're not loyal to their own party members, how can they be loyal to their own citizens?
So then would you then vote for any of these political parties, because all of them are switching?
See, I feel that people who switch over, I'm not against any party, I'm against people who switch over during the elections. I feel they're opportunists and they're not statesmen because they're not loyal to the people who actually brought them into the parties.
All right. Anyone else? Okay. Hold on. Yes, sir.
Everybody like honest people rather than a loyal. So honest people is never a loyal, but honest people stand for their country, for their society. So we all love Sidhu because he is an honest man.
But Sidhu is just one example. Let's not make this about Sidhu. This is about all politicians. I'll give you another example. Beyant Singh's daughter, the former Punjab Chief Minister's daughter, she has switched political parties in 1 week. First she joined the BJP, then she went and joined the Congress again. I mean, what do you say about that?
सर लॉयल्टी अपनी जगह पे है पार्टी के प्रति अगर कोई भी इंसान बहुत वफादार है और पार्टी उसनू निगलैक्ट कर दी है उसके प्रोजेक्ट ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੰਪਲੀਮੈਂਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਿਆਂਦਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਤੇ ਬੰਦਾ ਫੈਡ ਅਪ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਸਵਿਚ ਆਫ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਇਨ ਦਾ ਸੇਮ ਵੇ ਕੋਈ ਗੁਰਕਵਲ ਕੌਰ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਗੁਰਕਵਲ ਕੌਰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਦੇਖੋ ਬਹੁਤ
ਪਹਿਲੇ ਕੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੀ ਕਿਉਂ ਕਰਦੇ
ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਿਗਰੋ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਨਿਗਲੈਕਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਐਟ ਦੈਟ ਟਾਈਮ ਦੇ ਪੀਪਲ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
loyalty should not be blind.
Okay.
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਅਸੀਂ ਧ੍ਰਿਤਰਾਸ਼ਟਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਕਿ ਦ੍ਰੋਪਦੀ ਦਾ ਚੀਰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਰਹੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਚੁੱਪ ਕਰਕੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਰਹੀਏ ਲਾਇਲਟੀ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਬੀ ਚੇਂਜ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਟੂ ਦਾ ਸਿਚੁਏਸ਼ਨਸ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਲੇਟਫਾਰਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਧੱਕਾ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਵੀ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਸਵਿਚ ਆਫ ਟੂ ਦਾ ਅਦਰ ਪਾਰਟੀਜ਼ ਹੂ ਇਜ਼ ਦਾ ਵੈਲ ਵਿਸ਼ਰ ਆਫ ਦਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵੀ ਵਿਲ ਗੋ ਦੇयर
Okay, yes, sir.
Actually, there's a huge, immense amount of pressure in between the leaders. Actually, Sidhu was not getting the proper opportunity to serve the people of Punjab.
Okay.
This is the main reason.
That's not what the Akalis are saying. That's not what the Aam Aadmi Party is saying. They are saying
the people of Punjab.
Okay,
there was immense pressure on him.
Okay.
Actually, that burst. Then he changed the party.
Okay. I want to get some views now from all those who are against. Yes.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਇਮਾਨਦਾਰ ਸ਼ਖਸ ਹੈ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਕਿ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਤੋਂ 4 ਤਰੀਕ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਥੋਂ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਣਾ। ਪਹਿਲੇ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਦੀ ਰਾਜਗੱਦੀ ਸਾਂਭੀ ਆ, ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕਿਸੇ ਆਮ ਬੰਦੇ ਚ ਆ ਕੇ ਮਿਲੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ, ਆਮ ਬੰਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ। ਹਾਂਜੀ ਕੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ?
ਜਦੋਂ ਬੀਜੇਪੀ 'ਚ ਹੈਗੇ ਉਦੋਂ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ
ਨਾ ਠੀਕ ਸੀ ਨਹੀਂ
ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੀ ਤਨਖਾਹ ਲਈ ਔਰ ਡਿਊਟੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤੀ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕਰਪਸ਼ਨ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ। ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਆਪਣੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਡਿਊਟੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੱਤੀ।
ਸਿੱਧੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀਆਂ ਐਕਸਪੈਕਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਰੋਜ਼ ਦਿਨ ਬ ਦਿਨ ਵੱਧ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਾਈਫ ਲਈ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀਗੇ, ਹੁਣ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਲਈ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ। ਉਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਲਈ ਕੋਈ ਕੰਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਰਿਹਾ।
ਦੇਖੋ ਜੇ ਜਨਤਾ ਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਤੋਂ ਲਿਆ ਕੇ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ, ਨਾ ਕਿ ਕਪਿਲ ਦੇ ਸ਼ੋਅ 'ਚ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਤੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਹੋ ਜੀ ਮੈਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਲੜ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ।
Okay, wait. I want to get your reaction to that. Just give us a sense of what you think is happening out here.
It has been said many times that Sidhu has played a.
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣ ਲਓ ਭਾਜੀ, ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਤੇ ਗੱਲ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ ਭਾਜੀ। 2 ਮਿੰਟ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣ ਲਓ and loudly.
Okay, so I'll be short. I am against politicians like Sidhu who are switching parties. He has played very situational politics. He has been an opportunist. When he was the MP, okay, he was never available for the people, and there has been times when there has been questions asked to him, or he has to be available.
What about the other politicians? Every party does it.
Yes.
Last minute switchover is more over a business angle.
Okay, what do you call all of this? What do you call all of this? This Maharaja Ranjit Singh statue and all that's happening behind you, the beautification of the Golden Temple, we're just a few feet away from it. Is that not opportunism?
No, it is for the business of Amritsar.
Sorry?
It is for the business of Amritsar city.
Do you agree with that, sir?
You know, hang on. No. I think what happens around here and the beautification of Amritsar definitely will impact on the tourism industry.
Okay.
But where were we for the last 9 years?
Why
We
didn't this happen then?
Yes, we did
Why
it in
this
the
happened
10th year.
5-6 months before the elections?
Absolutely. And another point I would like to make about you're talking about people switching sides.
Yeah.
See, this is the era of uncertainty yet again. Even the politician thinks that the grass is greener on the other side of the fence.
Okay.
So, and that is what is the mindset today in the people of Punjab.
Is the grass greener on the other side or not?
Perhaps not.
Actually, one person was saying, Sidhu Saab Kapil ke show mein बैठते हैं. I think we don't discuss about these things because क्योंकि सभी का अपना अपना बिजनेस होता है. Okay, if he is doing for a bite, कोई बुराई नहीं है उसमें. लेकिन he is meant for the people of Punjab. He is meant for the people of Punjab. So
टाइम मैनेजमेंट करनी चाहिए है। ये नहीं 5 साल उथे ते 5 साल मतलब बिल्कुल हल्के जो गैप रहना, ये चीज़ 4 जगह होने देते, बिल्कुल गलत कर दिया।
Ladies, yes.
When did he come to Amritsar? There is no point of... He was being a loyal person, being stayed in BJP also, but what is the point of coming to Congress? If he wants to do good work, he can stay in BJP and do good work as well.
Okay.
Does he want to come to Congress?
Good point, but the problem that he said is that it's not okay, it wasn't easy to do the good work with the BJP because he wasn't getting the support from the Akali
But
alliance.
what's the point? He is already a politician and he needs a good... he has a greed of a politician. And
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਦੱਸੋ ਕੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ?
ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੀਜੇਪੀ ਨੂੰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਇਕੱਲੇ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਲੜੋ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਲੜਨੀ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਕਾਹਦਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਅਲਾਈਅੰਸ ਹੈ? ਉਹ 23 ਸੀਟਾਂ ਤੇ ਉਹ 94 ਸੀਟਾਂ। ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਇੱਕ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਉਪਕਾਰ ਹਾਂਜੀ I want to ask you you're ready to talk about something. You're ready to talk about something. 2 ਮਿੰਟ ਯਾ ਭਾਜੀ 2 ਮਿੰਟ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੱਸੋ ਸਾਨੂੰ। There's a Akali leader by the name of Upkar Singh Sandhu. Former Akali leader. He's joined the Aam Aadmi Party. He's fighting the bipoles out here in Amritsar. He's also done that. What Sidhu's done, that's also okay. No problem. That's what you're saying.
ਸਿੱਧੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਛੱਡਣ ਦਾ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਵੀਰ ਖੜੇ ਨੇ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਿਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ MP ਸੀਗੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਸਹੁੰ ਖਾਧੀ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਚ ਰਵਾਂਗਾ, ਮੈਂ ਪਟਿਆਲੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਵਾਂਗਾ। 2.5 ਸਾਲ ਤੱਕ ਉਹ ਬੰਦਾ ਪਟਿਆਲੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਿਆ, ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਚ ਰਿਹਾ। ਉਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਇੱਕ ਮਿੰਟ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪੂਰਾ ਕਰਨ ਦਿਓ। ਉਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਗੋਡਫਾਦਰ ਸੀਗੇ। ਸਿੱਧੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਚ ਆਏ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟ ਇੰਪਲੀਮੈਂਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਈ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਸਵਿਚ ਆਫ ਕਰਨੀ ਪਈ।